Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, amazing home decoration ideas हम आपके साथ व्यूअर्स आज की इस वीडियो में शेयर करेंगे. सो आई होप कि आपको हमारी आज की वीडियोस पसंद आएंगी फ्रेंड्स. सो आप लोग इसे लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिएगा अगर आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो पसंद है फ्रेंड्स. तो आप लोग इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट करें. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि व्यूअर्स हमारी हर नई आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस आप लोगों तक पहुंच सके और आप लोग इनसे फ्रेंड्स आइडियाज़ ट्राई कर सकें. सो व्यूअर्स लेट्स स्टार्ट today video. Viewers, इसका स्लाइड्स में आपके साथ हम शेयर कर रहे हैं. 14 notes with fabric crafts, easy project for creative fun. If you have leftover fabric, scarf or piece that you are like to use, you are going to love these fabric crafts. Get our 14 new sewing ideas that are perfect for beginning crafts. I am not sure how your crafts journey began, but let me quickly tell you about mini I did crafts with my mother as a fair back as I can remember. And then in second grade I taught art classics at school. After the day ended, I also remember that one of my was to paint some things I own. So I paint my garbage baskets. By the way, how can I recall this stuff when I can remember what I did for lunch yesterday? I don't know. Anyway, when I was about 10 years old, I lived in Chile, and my mom sent me to swimming camp at Pier Fabric Town. That was my first exposure to our real crafts classes. With it, we bring back lunches and spent the entire school, and I was the youngest one by far, the only child in our room.